everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we transform your outdoor spaces into breathtaking havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're taking our passion for gardening to new heights literally, by exploring the incredible world of rooftop vegetable gardens. Have you ever looked at a flat, empty rooftop and seen wasted potential? What if I told you that space could be a lush, productive vegetable garden, a tranquil retreat, and a stunning outdoor living area all in one? That's what we're diving into today. We'll talk about what a rooftop vegetable garden is, why you absolutely need one, and how to decorate it to perfection. Plus, I'll share my top 10 best rooftop garden ideas using some truly amazing examples. So, what exactly is a rooftop vegetable garden? It's exactly what it sounds like, a garden planted on the roof of a building. But it's so much more than that. It's an innovative form of urban agriculture that maximizes unused space in densely populated areas. Instead of relying on traditional ground plots, these gardens use containers, raised beds, or even hydroponic systems to grow fresh produce. It's about bringing nature and food production right to our doorstep, even when our doorstep is several stories high. These gardens can be simple and functional or elaborate, and beautifully integrated into a complete outdoor living space. Beyond just looking amazing, a rooftop vegetable garden offers a ton of fantastic benefits. First and foremost, you get a continuous supply of fresh, organic vegetables. Imagine stepping outside your door and picking a ripe tomato or a handful of fresh lettuce for your salad. It doesn't get any better than that. Furthermore, these gardens help improve air quality in urban environments. Plants act as natural air filters, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. They also help manage stormwater runoff by absorbing rainwater, which can reduce the burden on city drainage systems. On a personal level, gardening is a wonderful way to de-stress and connect with nature, even in the middle of a bustling city. It provides a peaceful private sanctuary where you can escape the noise and concrete jungle below. Plus, a beautifully designed rooftop garden can significantly increase your property value and curb appeal. It's a win-win for both your lifestyle and your investment. So you've decided to start a rooftop garden, but how do you make it look less like a random collection of pots and more like a curated, beautiful space? The key is to treat it like any other room in your home. Start with a solid plan. Consider the layout and flow. Create distinct zones: a gardening area, a seating area, and perhaps even a dining space. Next, choose your containers and raised beds wisely. Uniformity can create a clean, modern look, while a mix of different shapes and sizes adds a charming, eclectic feel. Think about materials that complement your building's architecture. Wood, metal, or terracotta can all work wonders. Add comfortable seating and a dining table to make the space truly functional for entertaining. Don't forget about lighting. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, and even a cozy fire pit can transform the space for evening use. Finally, introduce decorative elements like trellises, art, and even a water feature to elevate the aesthetics and make your garden a true reflection of your personal style. Now let's get to the good stuff. I've compiled a list of the top 10 best rooftop vegetable garden ideas to get your creative juices flowing. One, the raised bed oasis. This rooftop garden perfectly combines natural materials with a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The custom-built wooden raised beds in various shapes and sizes add texture and warmth to the wooden deck. The geometric arrangement of the beds creates visual interest, while a comfy bench and small side table make it a perfect spot to relax. This design proves that a productive food-growing area can also be a beautiful and functional part of your outdoor living space. 2. The secluded sunken garden. This sophisticated rooftop space features a beautifully designed, built-in concrete planter. The L-shaped planter creates a clean, modern boundary for the garden, while also providing a natural-looking place to sit. The small water feature with aquatic plants adds a tranquil element, and the use of different textures like wood, concrete, and plants provides a visually rich experience. This is a great example of how a custom, well-designed garden can become the focal point of a luxury outdoor space. 3. The Mediterranean retreat. This garden is a masterclass in blending utility with classic decor. A large rectangular terracotta-colored container holds lush tomato plants, supported by simple wooden stakes. Surrounding it are various terracotta pots of different sizes, holding everything from eggplant to flowering plants. The warm, earthy tones of the pots and the tiled floor evoke a relaxed Mediterranean feel, showing how you can seamlessly integrate a productive vegetable garden into an elegant patio space. 4. The relaxing rooftop lounge. This image proves that a rooftop can be both a luxurious living area and a green space. While the focus is on the stylish seating and fire pit, you can see lush greenery and planters used as decorative elements and privacy screens. This design is perfect for those who want their rooftop to be a prime entertaining spot, with a touch of greenery to add a natural feel. The decorative chandelier and beautiful skyline views complete this elegant space. 5. The lush courtyard garden. While not a typical rooftop, this garden shows how a secluded outdoor space can be a verdant sanctuary. Lush plants in black containers are strategically placed around the perimeter, creating a wall of greenery that provides privacy and a calming atmosphere. The central dining table on a bed of artificial grass turns the area into a perfect spot for al fresco dining and entertaining, demonstrating how to integrate greenery with a comfortable living area. 6. The modern urban farm. This stunning rooftop garden in a dense city environment showcases how function and form can perfectly coexist. The raised black planter boxes are a sleek, modern choice, providing ample growing space for rows of vibrant leafy greens and cabbages. The organized grid layout not only maximizes space but also creates a clean, intentional design, contrasting beautifully with the towering skyscrapers in the background. It's a perfect example of a high-yield garden that doesn't sacrifice style. 7. The eclectic potted patio. This charming garden radiates a warm, personal vibe. A towering cornstalk stands proudly among a variety of plants in different pots and fabric bags. The use of upcycled blue barrels and a mix of container types gives the space an authentic DIY feel. This setup is a great inspiration for those who want to start small and grow their garden organically, proving that you don't need expensive, matching planters to achieve a bountiful harvest. 8. The communal harvest garden. This design is all about bringing people together to enjoy the fruits of their labor. The raised wooden beds are filled with a variety of vegetables and herbs, creating a bountiful, accessible garden. A large communal table and chairs provide a perfect setting for sharing a meal fresh from the garden. This is a perfect idea for a shared space like an apartment building or office, promoting community and healthy living. 9. The landscaped urban retreat. This rooftop blends lush greenery with comfortable modern lounging. The artificial turf provides a low-maintenance, year-round green space, while large planters with mature trees and shrubs offer privacy and shade. The sleek lounge chairs and the breathtaking city skyline in the background make this a truly high-end retreat. It shows how you can combine a beautiful, landscaped feel with the practicality of container gardening. 10. The high-rise hydroponic farm. Taking urban farming to the next level. This impressive vertical hydroponic system is a futuristic solution for growing a massive amount of produce in a small footprint. Rows of PVC pipes are used to grow leafy greens and other plants, creating a striking visual wall of foliage. This is a fantastic idea for those who are serious about high-yield farming and want to utilize technology to grow food sustainably and efficiently, even in the most urban of settings. So there you have it, 10 incredible examples of how a rooftop can be transformed into a beautiful, productive vegetable garden. Whether you're looking for a small, simple space to grow a few herbs or an expansive urban farm, the possibilities are endless. I hope this video has inspired you to look up and see the potential in your own space. Don't let that valuable rooftop go to waste. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can create a personal sanctuary that provides you with fresh food, a connection to nature, and a stunning new place to relax. What's your favorite rooftop garden idea? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas to make your outdoor spaces truly magical. Until next time, happy gardening!